welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. So today we're going to make pasta salad, a very easy recipe. So for this recipe, you will need one box, which is a pan of noodles of your choice. I use the spiral noodles, which I have already cooked according to package. Carrots, cheese, cube ham, cherry tomatoes, which I have cut in half, and cucumbers, which I have cut up, and I forgot my Italian dressing. I use the Zesty Italian dressing. It gives it a little bit more flavor to me, but it's whatever your preference is. Let's get started. Okay, so first off, as I have stated before, I have already cooked my noodles according to package. They're not hot, but they're still a little warm. So I'm just going to make my pasta salad up and place it in the fridge to chill. But to get started, you will need to add your dressing. You can start off with one bottle. You know, mix that in. So for about a pound of noodles is what I have now. I normally use about one bottle to a bottle and a half to 2 bottles of the Kraft 16-ounce Zesty Italian dressing. So, but it's your preference. I add carrots. So I have some shredded carrots here. I'm going to place in my pasta salad. And I'm going to place my ham. My cucumber, which is just one cucumber cut up. My tomatoes, and I think I'm gonna need a bigger bowl. So let me just transfer this over to a bigger bowl. There we go. Now, just want to mix all that up together. Shredded cheese. I like the fine shredded cheese, but it's whatever you like. So you just sprinkle a little cheese on it. And I'm gonna get my other Italian dressing. I'm gonna do about half, and I'm gonna see how much is in there after I mix this in. So, like I said, it all depends on, how much dressing you want in there. I use 1.5 so far, so I'm just going to add just a little more. So, about a little more than a half. And you're just going to mix it together. And there you have it. Pasta salad. So easy, so quick. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of this easy 10-minute pasta salad recipe. Please comment, like, and subscribe below. And thanks for watching. Bye.